Hi, this is good old Jim. How and why to use a soil sifter. Let's use the why first. If you take the time to sift the soil through a sieve, your plants will have a much easier time pushing up through the soil and establishing their roots. Sifting aerates the soil, will improve your water drainage, and will make it easier for any nutrients you're feeding the plants to reach the roots. Seed starting and cutting propagation needs a fine soil mix. Even the more expensive potting soil has trash in it. Seed starting soil is much more expensive because it's already sifted. Miracle-Gro, for example, the Miracle-Gro potting soil is 36 cents per quart. Miracle-Gro seed starting mix is 85 cents per quart. More than twice as much. Simple. Buy Miracle-Gro potting mix and sift it yourself. Won't take long to pay for a sifter. These are the two sifters I use. I've got a 12 by 12, fits nicely over a 5-gallon bucket for simple small jobs. But then for the big jobs, I use a 24 by 24 that goes over top of a really nice 27-gallon garden tote. And here is the soil that I prefer. It's Kellogg's brand. It's from Home Depot. It is an organic soil. It's 25 cents per quart for Kellogg's organic potting soil, compared 36 cents per quart for Miracle-Gro, and it doesn't even say organic on it. Both of these are available at Home Depot. And now, how to use the sifter. Put the soil in the sifter. Anywhere in the middle is okay. Start rubbing with your hands. Just go ahead and just rub it in. Just rub it around, swirl it around. Whoops. Take it down there. Get it down there as far as you can get it. Just keep working it. Slowly but surely. The chips are falling at the top, and the soil, the good soil, is going down into your receptacle. Whether this is the 27-gallon that I'm using right now. So we'll get it down, work it in, work it in. All right, work it in, work it in. All right. Then, as you get lower in the count, just move what you have, the stuff that wouldn't sift through, over to the corner, and pour another load in, and work it again. All right, work in the second pile, work it through. Got the pile of chips over here, work it in, work it in. See, it's not all that hard. It doesn't take all that much time to really make some fine, really nice seed soil out of normal potting soil. See how simple it is. End result, you have very fine soil. Look at how nice and fine that is. See how beautiful that is? What you took out is wood chips. And these wood chips are great. They can be used for mulch. That's what I use them for. When I do plants, I'll put the plant in the pot, put the good soil in the plant, and cover the top with the mulchy stuff. It makes it look awfully pretty. And I'm not just using cheap soil, I'm using good soil, but maybe not name brand. But here's a name brand just for your knowledge, and this happens to be peat moss. This is fairly expensive stuff. So let me put that in here. Put that in here. I use a 12-inch for this one. Put that in there. And it's nice peat moss. Granted, it's nice peat moss. Put that in there. We're going to run that around and sift this out. And do it. All right. We'll get some more. A little bit more. All right. And this goes, actually it's going in here really quick. This is fairly decently small grains on this peat moss, granted, and it is getting sifted. However, there's still junk as I'll show you in a minute, in this high-dollar peat moss stuff. Okay? Start rub it around, get it to where you want it, and move it into the corner, and you'll see I've got it in the corner. Okay, here's the result of the peat moss. We get really nice, beautifully fine sifted peat moss, but in every bag there's a whole lot of this. It's trash. Of course, I can use it as mulch, and I'm happy because I do make use of everything I buy. If you want a finer soil for better plant life, propagation, and or seed starting, you should either build or buy a sifter. See my video, 7 Easy Steps to Build a Soil Sifter, or let me know what size you want. Good old Jim, always here to help with ideas. Leave comments below and like this if it has helped you. My channel, Good Old Jim, has lots more. Enjoy.